back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz and I'm back on your screen once again, and I figured I would do a video for you guys since it's the weekend. So let's get started. So as you see in the title above, it is what's in my bag. It is a Teddy Blake New York bag and I love this color. It's the royal blue bag, and I don't want to get it wrong, but this is the Roberta Blue Electric bag. Bella Vitello 12-inch royal blue bag. I love this bag and I can just throw everything in it, as you can see. So I'm going to share with you all what's in my purse, okay? But before I get started, I want to let you all know that I recently received a package from Teddy Blake New York, and they were so kind enough to reach out to me, and they wanted to work with me, and they wanted to collab with me again. And I was like, yes, I love their products. It's good quality, luxurious handbags at affordable price. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. So, you know, okay, the box opens up like so, really nice. It comes really nice packaging, and one thing I can say, their shipping was super fast, y'all. And you open it up, and I already opened it up. I already know what's in here, but I took it out of the bubble wrap, and let me close this up. And it housed this beautiful light gray wallet. It is super nice, and you can see where it says Teddy Blake New York, and it's a zip wallet. And this is how it looks. So I'm super excited to be adding this to my bag. Although it doesn't match, they had sold out the royal blue, but I was like, I love gray, so I ended up getting this. Hence, I love gray, as you can see. So I ended up getting the light gray. Some of you all, I know you guys love when the purse matches the wallet. I understand that, but for me, it really doesn't matter at all, long as I have some money in here. So let's get started with what's in my purse, and then I'll probably switch everything over to this bag. But I mean, this wallet. This wallet is so pretty, and it houses, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 credit cards. It has like a slot if you have a checkbook still or receipts, and then you have this middle slot if you have coins, or sometimes I'll have like earrings or something. I can throw them in there so that it can be safe. But this is a really nice Italian, made in Italy, Italian leather wallet. So I'm going to show you what's in my purse, and then maybe I can transfer my stuff to this. Okay, so here's my bag, y'all, and my bag usually is heavy. Sometimes my bag is usually heavy, and it's gonna be heavy for a minute because the stuff that's going on today, I'm kind of like taking everything that my essentials, everything that I need, you know, to get me throughout the entire day. I usually carry like a crossbody, but you know, these times right now, you need everything you can in your purse. You never know, you might not end up coming home. That's why, you know, I make sure that I have everything that I need in my purse. Yes, that'll get me through. Okay, so this is in no particular order, as you know, and you guys know I need my cell phone, and this is a, what is this, an Apple 11. Am I saying that right, y'all? It's iPhone 11 Max Pro. Yeah, iPhone 11. The next thing that I have is this Tutti Dolce Pink Peony Cream Body Cream from Bath & Body Works. This is really good. It smells good too, and I put this on my hands so that my hands can be moisturized, not too ashy, and they smell good. So yeah. The next thing that I have through in my purse, because I'll be keeping this in my locker at work, is this little cosmetic pouch, but I keep my personals in here for work, and it says Brandy Giz. Someone made this for me. One of my co-workers has a friend that makes like t-shirts and whatnot, and she made this cute little cosmetic pouch for me. So that will be going to my locker because I gotta go to work tomorrow. And let's see what else. This is also personal items as well. you know, girly girl stuff. And I keep this definitely in my purse. And this is my wallet that I've been carrying. As you can see, it doesn't match my purse, but that's fine. I'm cool with that. This is my wallet when I'm like running errands. I just grab this, and this is Adrian, I think Vitello, something like that. Not quite sure. Let me see if it's in here. I'm not sure of the name, but yeah. Anyway, I just keep like my debit cards in here, like my CVS store card, library card, stuff like that, and some cash. And I don't usually keep cash, guys, but like I said, you probably need some cash on you. Let's see, and a credit card just in case. I have some receipts. Where is this? This is from Fridays. Yeah, I don't need that in here, so I will be transferring what's in here to put in here in a minute. Then we have the cosmetic pouch. This is my Kate Spade cosmetic pouch, and this is, it was just so cute. I picked this up at Nordstrom Rack, and I'll share with you all what I have in here really quick. I have a bunch of lippies, y'all. I have NYX Butter Gloss. This is in Madeline. I have the MAC Cream Sheen in Boy Bait. This is one of my favorites. This is something I'll throw on that's not my favorite, but it's okay. It's from, who is this by? It's called For Real. It's a Lust Gloss from Pat McGrath. Yeah. And then we have Essence. This is their Lash Prints. I like their mascara. My favorite, this is my lip moisturizer. This is Laneige. It's a lip balm. Another NYX. This is the Soft Matte. And I have another mascara. This is Lash Prince. This is Lash Princess. This one is Lash Prince. So they're different, but they get the job done. I just ordered a NYX, no, this is MAC. I ordered Plum lip liner. I had ran out. It was like to the nubs, so I had to get another one. This is what it is. This is Plum. My favorite lip liner to go with like pinks or like nudie pinks. So this is my favorite gloss right now. This is from Morphe, and the name of it is called Boho. It's so pretty on the lips. Then I have a lipstick. This is called Shrimpton. I did a look recently and I used this, so that's why it's in here, with Chestnut lip liner. And another MAC lipstick is, what is this? Shy Girl. That's Shy Girl, and a cork lip liner. I have a peppermint and 2 safety pins. So that's all that I have in my cosmetic pouch. Then I have 2 combs. I don't need 2 combs, but I have 2 hair combs. Some Dove Intensive Cream. I got that from the Dollar Tree. It was only $1. You guys always keep your charger to your phone with you. Don't try to borrow it from nobody, because now you're going to need your phone charger. You're going to just take this everywhere you go. You need it. So I have my phone charger, and I have a bag up charger. This is from Amazon. It's called the Yoboya, and it lasts up to like 5 charges in my opinion. And you can put it right here, your little charge. The light comes on and it tells you how much battery life you have. But this is a good thing to have right about now. I have a toothbrush. I have, what is this? A mirror. I always need my little mirror. I have lipstick all up here, y'all. But yeah, I have a mirror. I had a sample of some perfume. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, that smells good. I don't even know what this is, but it smells really good. And then I have a alcohol wipe to wipe my phone. I have my earbuds. I don't have the ones that you stick in your ears. Maybe I'll be blessed with that one day. I have a hair tie, a pen. Okay, it's like my favorite pen. And I picked this up from, I think, TJ Maxx or either Home Goods. They had like a set of 3. And then I have some polish. You guys know I like to polish my nails. So I house it in here. And that's it in here. And on the side pockets, I have some Lysol disinfectant wipes. You need that. I have some hand sanitizer. It kills 99% of germs. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. And this is the lavender scent. I have some emergency. This is the 1000 mg's of vitamin C. I take this like every other day. I have a big box. I have some Tazo calm chamomile tea. And some China green tips. These are some good teas to have. Let's see. I have another ink pen. And that's it for that side. I have one of these little hair bobby pins with the rhinestones on it. I like that. That's cute. And then in this pocket, I just have some gum and my work ID. Yep, my work ID. And yeah, guys, that is it. So that was a what's in my purse featuring my Teddy Blake bag. It is super cute, and I like it because of, I like this too, especially when you don't want to carry it on your arms like so. You can just wrap it around like this while you're shopping and you're good to go. So I'm going to transfer everything in my new wallet that they sent me, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back, and I just wanted to share with you all my wallet. Hopefully the lighting is not so much, but this is the wallet, as you can see, and I just put everything in here, my cash and my cards, my cash, my debit card, my insurance cards, and bring y'all up. Yeah, I like it. It's really, really pretty. So like I said before, they offer high quality items at a affordable price, and I'm gonna list my coupon code down in the description, and I will see you in the next one. So honey, I'm ready, and this is my bag. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, let me know. And another thing I wanted to mention, this is the dust cloth that comes with the bag in case you want to put, you know, your bag up. If you don't want to carry it, it does come with the dust cloth. So okay, so I'm back, and I just wanted to share with you all my wallet. Hopefully the lighting is not so much, but this is the wallet, as you can see, and I just put everything in here, my cash and my cards, my cash, my debit card, my insurance cards, and bring y'all up. Yeah, I like it. It's really, really pretty. So like I said before, they offer high quality items at a affordable price, and I'm gonna list my coupon code down in the description, and I will see you in the next one. I'll put that in my purse. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff in my purse, so honey, I'm ready. And this is my bag. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, let me know. And another thing I wanted to mention, this is the dust cloth that comes with the bag in case you want to put, you know, your bag up. If you don't want to carry it, it does come with the dust cloth. So that will complete my review of my new wallet and my what's in my purse video. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.